cage?
No, we got it.
Did you guys make the cage?
Noor, are you going to open the door?
Wait, can you actually open the door?
Mm-hmm.
How? Come on, boy. And open. Boy. The door's open for you. Come on. Boy, it's open. Boy, it's open. Stop touching the door. Come on. No. So they don't like to leave the key? Oh, come on. They're too scared to come out? Yeah. Would you really come out much? No, they like it in their cage a lot though. But do they come out? Yes, they do come out. See, there's feathers all over the house. Yeah. Come here. Come on, up there. See that feather? Now the family has birds. At our house we used to have birds, didn't we? No.
Noor, is your name Darla?
No.
What's your name? Okay, stop. You're scaring the birds.
She just said open and shut. Open and shut. Open and shut. Dad, boy, and girl. She said open and shut. She just said open and shut. Up.
Okay, stop. Noor, what are you? Ibrahim, you don't want to put her. Noor, shut the door. Noor, okay, you're scaring the birds, guys. She wants to do it all on her own. Do you want Aksa to help you? Noor?
The windows? There's a food kitchen.
Yeah, there's a window.
Can I close it?
Noor, let Aksa close it.
Yay, no, close it! Yay! No, don't open it, don't open it.
No.
No.
Aksa, don't clap for her. Don't encourage her.
Wait, he got no, he's not coming. No, he's not coming. I promise, he's not coming. Cute. No. What are you doing? Boy, oh my God. This year, the whole year, whenever we go to the house, you're always there. Oh, no. We always see each other. Wait, it's open. There's two. Go.
Noor, are you putting your head in there?
No. Wait, what happens if you put your head in there? They'll bite it off. I'm just kidding.
No, they don't.
They bite your hair? No, they just stay there. No. Sit. No.
Okay, close the door.
You guys are scared of me. I don't let them have us.
Okay, close the door and leave it closed. Teek, come here.
Can we open the windows?
No, the window is only to put food or water in.
Otherwise, they'll maybe fly out. If we open the door.
If we open the door, they don't fly out.
Wants to take a birdie out. Well, can you take a bird out?
No, we're not taking the birds out.
He's scared.
Who's scared? Noor is scared or the bird is scared? Do you want to take them out?
But do they have soft claws?
When you do, you put your finger up to them, and if they want to step on your finger and come out, they come out.
Wait, but do they like have soft claws?
It doesn't hurt.
Do you want them to come out? Yeah. Give me a bell. Give me a bell, please. So you do like this. Yeah. He said. Okay, let's follow it. No, don't catch it.
Okay.
Ibrahim, don't play with the door.
Noor got scared.
Noor, are you scared?
Are you a little scared of him sometimes? If he. Don't touch it! Don't touch it! Don't touch it! Don't touch it!
Okay, guys, that's enough, right? Let's leave the birds alone.
Can we, like,
Hold on.
do we bring them out? Do
No.
we bring them out now?
No.
Noor, go ahead, grab it.
Tell the bird to come out.
Come on, boy. Come on. It's open. It don't open. Stop. Open. Boy, you said. Come on out. You said. Come on.
Tell them to come out.
Come on, boy. Thank you. Come out. Let you know. No. Yeah, you're gonna take him.
They don't want to come out. Close the door now.
No.
Okay, say bye, birdies.
Bye, boys. Boys.
Yes, just say bye.
That's it. We close the door.
We close the door. Say bye.
Bye.
Ibrahim, say bye.